van builders, hope you are well. Welcome to this 2-minute update from the 2+10 playlist. Building a camper van a slightly different way, hardly a very different way. We're building it out before we've got the actual van. Look, I don't want to bore the regular subscribers, but there's a link up there telling you why we're doing it this way, how we're doing it this way, some nuances about design, etc. But in this little update, I'm going to talk about materials. There's a link up here you can click on, and again at the end for a fuller video about this subject. But I'll be looking at novel materials to use in the construct. So I'll be looking at this, which is a product called Halvstorp from IKEA. They use it to make kitchens and bathrooms, and I want to use this as a possibility for my main furniture construction instead of using 15mm furniture board that I've used in my existing van. But worried, looks suspiciously to me like MDF, and MDF soaks up water, doesn't it? Well, no, not if it's E622 part 5. Click on the 10-minute link for more details. I've actually had it in water. Okay, the other thing is this stuff for my wet room. It's a shower screen, honeycomb construction, so it's very, very light but very, very stiff. Be ideal as a panels for my wet room, but I need to profile it to the shape of the van, and it's rigid as you like, so it's no good. But I found a way. It's in the 10-minute. The other thing I'm playing with is this stuff, which is the stuff you have on the outside of houses. Modern houses, that is. It's soffit board, very, very light, not overly strong, but I've got uses for this as well. Again, there'll be details up in the 10-minute video. And I'm also going to be looking at a material that's not actual novel use to me, because I've used it in my existing van in the wet room, and that's 5mm PVC ceiling cladding. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you are new here, it'd be great to have you along this journey, building a camper van a slightly different way. You might be thinking about doing this way yourself. Hit the like and subscribe and all that nonsense, and I will catch you in the next one.